super easy install is the Pollen filter. So I've got a carbon one, activated one, whatever it is. Again, you don't have to replace these every year. I just do it anyway, just to keep the cabin fresh, and because you've got aircon on all the time. Well, I do. I don't want it getting smelly. So what you've got is on the glove box, you're gonna push in these, and as you push them in, it unclips the glove box, and then it drops down. And up here in this nice little compartment is a little thing that flips off, so it just clips off, and then your filter that's already in there pulls out. Put that one out. Right, quick note on that: when you get the new filter, just check. So obviously the air is flowing into the vehicle from that direction, so make sure you install it this way round. Otherwise, I don't know. It's obviously wrong that way, the other way around. It just literally just slides. So it just literally slides back in. Put this back on its thingy. Otherwise I can't see what I'm doing. Trying to hold the camera and film and see what I'm doing. So that's just clips in at the other end. I promise you it does. If you're not blind like me. Yeah, sorry. It's got this bit on it. You have to slide this under. It raises it up a bit. I'm going to give up. You know what I mean? Okay, so this has got some things on it that sort of have to go underneath somehow. Just realised all my foam strip is perishing, but I'm not interested in that at the moment. So it has to sort of hook and push under. And then we're going to get it to clip correctly. And cool. Once this is sort of in, it's got, at this end it slides under a little latch, and the other end it just clips in. Sorry, this is probably the worst video in the world, but there you go. So that's replacing the cabin filter, and then all you've got to do is just clip up your glove box, and it's clipped back in again. There you go, all done. Another repair done, or service item. So that's good. We'll move on to another thing.